Howdy and welcome to another video with me. I'm Nick and this is London Creative, the creative side of the not the out and about in London videos and so forth, which is linked up there, which is now a separate channel. Didn't already know, because basically it wasn't getting any traction and fighting algorithm wasn't working, so I split it and now I'm here. But this is a review of the thing I'm recording on, the thing you can't actually see at the moment, which is the iPhone 13 mini. I've had this since the end of January and it came out just before Christmas, so it's pretty much nearly a year old. I bought it because it finally had the upgrade of cinematic mode and also supposedly better video, and there was a whole reason for buying it, rather than buying a camera, a DSLR and doing that. So what do I think of the iPhone 13 mini for vlogging purposes? It's not as good as the 12, which I had before, but if you've not got Monterey installed on your Mac computer, the cinematic mode has to go through some annoyingly slow ways to render it. You have to open it in iMovie, figure out what you want focusing on and whatever, and then export it, which can take up to 5 or 6 times as long as the video. Then you have to import it into the computer and then it still has to do another render. If you've got Monterey installed, which most big computers and that will, it's not as much of a problem. It's still a bit slow, but Monterey is like a massive thing and it's taking up a lot of space on hard drives and laptops that are only like 250 gigs space, struggling. So that's why I've not done it. Please ignore the screaming children. I can't do anything about them. I'm not allowed to kill them, so I have to deal with them. And this is the major issue with the iPhone 13. The microphone and the sound is abysmal. It picks up background noise. It will pick up those kids screaming better than it will pick up me, and I'm sitting here and they're 50 meters away in the playground. It picks up so much background noise. Wind is atrocious. All of the out and out videos that have been shot, all the Capital Ring stuff this year has been shot on this phone. The sound is all over the place. You're 1 minute you're here and then you're up here and it's all, and it's literally, if there's a bit of wind or if a car hits its horn or a child screams or a police car or whatever, it'll pick that up and they can be half a mile away.
That is the Lea Bridge Relief Channel. Coffee. We found a coffee shop. Gelada.
And you're like, no, but I'm standing again. And it's not picking me up at all. And I'm standing. I literally have times where I have to stand and talk into the microphone like this in order to be heard. And I've had the phone checked and fixed and pretty much all of the internals taken out and all of that put back in. My bracelet rattles. And if I do that as I'm talking, then that will pick up louder than me, because it just picks up background noise and ambient noise. You can't fix it. So I thought, well, buy a lav mic. I've got plug-in lav mics. They don't work at all. It does nothing. Plug-in lav mic in and talking and taking it out, no different whatsoever. Radio mics, I've bought 3, and it's not down to the radio transmitter lav mics. It's down to the phone. That's pretty much it. The video quality is good. The audio quality is abysmal. The cinematic mode is a pain. It works, it's just a bit of an awkward thing to do. And something like this, filming here I'm that far from the wall, so a metre from, that won't do anything. It will still be all focused. It works, it's nice, but if I put my cup in front of like that, on this, it will automatically focus. Put it in cinematic mode, and it will just do, where's your face? Where's your face? I can't see your face. Oh, look, no, your face is up. I can see your face behind there. Look. Oh, I can see your eyes. No, I'm going to focus on your eyes, not the thing you're trying to get the camera to focus on. You literally have to do that. It's stupid. We went to see the Samsung experience in Piccadilly Circus a couple of weeks back, because it's a K-pop thing. We're really into K-pop, if you didn't already know. And we went to see the new Samsung Fold. It's got stickers, look. Fold your world. That's what I won. You could win a new phone. I won some stickers. Honestly, if I could have a Samsung Fold, over this, you take it off me now. But a new Samsung Fold starts at £1,700. That's not going to happen, is it? The camera mode is so much better. There's 4 cameras on it. You can fold it up and have the screen reflecting. You can have selfie mode and hold the phone. You can turn it around. In mid-shot, you can flip from this camera, that view, and back. On this, you have to stop, change the camera over, record, turn it back. On the Samsung, you just click a button, it jumps backwards and forwards. You can also change mode. So when I was describing the cinematic mode, you could have just switched to the director's mode. Brilliant, easy, simple. iPhone 13 mini. So, yeah. Samsung, if you want to give me a new phone. So yeah, if you've got a Samsung Fold, use it to its full potential. Director's mode all the way. So yeah, it's not that good. 14 better be better, but I'm not going to be upgrading. So instead, I'm thinking about getting a Sony mirrorless DSLR. It's a possibility. It's still a lot of money. But that's it. That's my review of the iPhone 13 mini. If you're looking at the iPhone 14 when it comes out at the end of the year, check the audio. I would say go into Apple, put the camera on, video stuff, and see how much background noise you get, and also see if a lav mic would work with it, with a lightning cable, because it doesn't work on these. Hope this was useful, helpful, and entertaining in some way. If it was, give it a thumbs up, leave me comments down below, and hit subscribe for more reviews occasionally, but mostly being creative in London. I've just thought of a new logo, I'll just switch it around. Yeah, being creative in London rather than in London being creative. So if you like being creative in London and everything that goes with it, technical stuff included, then you should hit subscribe. Come back next time for something else. See you soon. Bye.